Hey Mafias, how are you doing today? Glad to hear. Must be in a celebratory mood today. What were you trading?
Yeah.
Giovanni, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Bush. How you doing?
I'm all right. Sorry for the delay.
Yeah, no worries, no worries.
Yeah.
How's family doing?
Sorry?
How's family doing?
Oh, yeah. Perfect. Good, man. Just got a little tired with some few businesses I have to take care of.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen the market booming this morning, dropping.
Yeah, actually, that's the reason why I say we should close the whole book yesterday, because I saw that possibility.
Good morning, Mr. Melvin.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, Giovanni.
Good morning, sir.
Brian Wambui, good afternoon, how are you? Morpheus, it could be true. Gold is quite a bit of a beach actually. It can give you good setups during Asian session, can give you good setups London or New York. Has no loyalty to any session. All right. Harriet, what are you observing today?
You say what?
What are you observing today? What are you looking for any asset?
Oh, I was looking at AUD.
What do you want to do with it?
It looked like it's a buy.
Why do you think it's a buy?
I think it's in a third level. And I was looking at GBPJPY. I don't have my
Your what?
I don't have my MT5 on my computer.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so if you look at the 1 hour, when the one cancel this day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, big formation high, drop, reset, another reset.
Alright, we're gonna look at it shortly. Just hang in there. What about Giovanni? What are you looking at the end?
Giovanni.
Man, I'm looking at USD CAD right now.
All right. What do you think is happening?
Multi-session double formation.
You sure?
USD CAD. USD CAD. Okay.
Yes. Multi-session information. Sorry.
Oh yeah, because he was looking at it just a few minutes ago.
Sorry.
All right.
Yeah, I'm expecting these guys try to give us information right there and give us another drop. 1, 2, let me see. they between London, they push it higher on London session to get the second leg. Start of London session, we have information. We have 3 drops, as you can see. 1 pullback, 2 pullback, 3. But if you go to the, it's in the 15 minutes. If you go to the 1 hour time frame,
hold on. So you got okay. You're talking that the analysis you're doing is on 5 minutes, or I mean 15 minutes or 1 hour.
No, it wasn't on the 1 hour. But what I was trying to explain right now was on the 15 minutes.
Okay.
But the 1 hour, we have a perfect. We have the first push. It's an information. The first push, because like you said last time,
Yeah.
two levels the lower time it's 1 level the higher time frame.
Ah, nice.
So as I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame right now, at the second leg.
So your second leg is on London session?
Second leg is on the London session, yes.
Right. Okay, so why do you think this is happening? Why do you think there is a sell-off? Why do you think there is an information? Hang in there, I'll come back to you.
Give me 1 second.
Actually, give me just 1 minute, let me come back to you, yeah?
Okay.
Giovanni,
Yes.
monsieur tombé?
Non, monsieur dit bah non, mais une photo rouge. Une photo rouge.
Bah, ouais.
Your prayer is not working.
Yes, you say.
Hein?
I'll confuse it. So.
I'm very big like the family color. Sometimes they don't know where you done.
Your prayer is not working.
Right. So go on. You are saying something, Giovanni. Go ahead.
Yes. Yeah, he said. What happened here? You have something to say on?
Yeah. No. Go on. I'm listening to you now.
So yes. You said, what do I think is gonna happen right now?
Yeah.
What I think is happening right now is the market has been pushing for, I can say, for 4 consecutive days. And that's why we have the information to get a reversal. And I think they're going back inside the psychological level before the week is over.
Okay. All right. Good.
So that's why I'm expecting them. I'm not expecting USD CAD to go up higher today. My bias is bearish.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now, my friend here doesn't have an MT5, so you can present your screen. All right. No worries.
No, I got my MT4.
Oh yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Now you were talking about Euro AUD. Go ahead and share it. Let's see. So I can just pick it up all together.
You see my screen?
Let me see. Yes, I can see it now.
And we see it. We see you.
Yeah.
So we're gonna that's 1 hour. We're gonna cancel this day.
Yeah.
The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
We got big formation high.
Yeah.
We got a level 1. We drop. We set. Level 2 drop.
Where's the reset?
Right here.
Okay.
We got a drop. That's another reset. Drop.
That's all in 1 day.
Yeah, that's in 1 day.
And
we have a consolidation the next day. We got a big formation high, consolidation, formation high. We got a double top right here. consolidation in the London session, and we have a drop. We have a reset. That's level 2. We have another reset, consolidation. We have I would say that's an inducement right here.
Yeah.
I would say. And I think we probably wait after this candle close. If it close above 5 and 13, like a shift candle, might be able to
All right, we'll look at it and see whether you're right or where you're confusing a bit, then see what to do. All right. All right, you can stop sharing, then I can go ahead and share my screen. 1 minute.
It was on EURUSD?
EURUSD. He's looking at EURUSD.
AUD.
Now fingerprint. Is gold forming a peak formation debut and low of the week? We will look at that shortly. Just hang on.
We don't see. I don't see your screen.
I'm about to share it now.
Oh.
But then we haven't updated TDRM, so you guys going to actually download afresh. You remember that one thing I told you that I'm going to update? Sorry, it tells you whether you're going to enter at a precise entry point. Let me see. So this is now USD cartel. You can see my screen now, yeah? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I see your screen.
All right, so now we cancel this day, right? Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you see? A V formation or head and shoulder, right? Right here. So this is the left, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. Then we push with a gap, all right? We reset, we push again, we reset right here, we push again. Those are 3 levels. Then we have this high, we fail to take it out, then we shift the market. This is the M formation Iwan is talking about. The perfect entry would have been actually on 15 minutes. Let me show you that candle. This candle right here would be the perfect entry, all right? This one right here. Now, if you miss this entry, the second entry was this one right here. After this violation right here, so the stop loss would have gone right here. So if they happen to close bearish right now in about 11 minutes right here, it would be a good entry point, although you would expect some sort of resistance because we have, of course, the 800 and the 200 line right there. So continuation sell to the ADR low, most likely to happen today. Then on Euro AUD, let me see if I can pull it out. All right, Euro AUD, here you are. By the way, guys, I'm using MT5, so all the indicators you're seeing here are based off MT5. So it might misbehave, it doesn't appear exactly as MT4, or if you got confused or lost. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour on Euro AUD. Now we cancel this day, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in within these 5 days, what is the dealer doing? He's bearish. The peak formation, again, head and shoulder. There is your right, left shoulder. This is the head, this is the right shoulder. Then what you're going to do is count this entire day as level 1. That is done actually in 3 pushes. Asian is 1 level, London is another, and then what do you call this? This are now level 3, day 1. Okay, we consolidate, stop hands high, reset the peak, then we drop again 1 more level. We reset the peak right here. This is the M formation currently. We are now in level 3. So what do you expect? The further we have this huge divergence right now, okay, from right here, the further we have this huge divergence, we need now to see a second leg and then a W formation. Not to say that they can do a V formation rise. We can see them pushing aggressively from right here, but the most ideal is a leg 1 and a leg 2, then we rise. Also, you can see how fanned out we are. So this right here means that we can only anticipate a big formation low rise. Okay. Okay, now did you now line up your analysis, Harriet? Harriet, can you hear me?
Yes.
All
Yes.
right, very good.
Yes, I hear.
Great. Okay, so now let
So
me
if
see.
I have
A question?
a stop hunt to the bottom,
On EURUSD,
give me the second leg. Yeah.
we anticipate a second leg, and of course, the fact that we don't have an aggressive sell-off. You see, level 1 and level 3. You see, this is the kind of behavior we anticipate on level 1 and level 3. This rally, and then on level 3, leave level 2, level 3, we want to see an aggressive sell-off like this, which we still don't have. Meaning, until we can see a second leg, it's very risky for you to be taking buys right now. Even when they can hit and reject, that doesn't necessarily give us a confirmation. What we want to see is a nice peak formation, like right here, all right, or a reversal W formation, first leg and the second leg. The most ideal one is the one that is issued over 2 or 3 days, something like this now. So this peak formation is formed over 2 days. So we have this as 1 day and this is a different day. Okay, so this here being the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is now the right shoulder. So this is a peak formation formed over 2 days. Again, same case right here, reset leg 1, reset leg 2. This is again a 2 days peak formation, which is very strong. So if you're trading off, this pattern is a stronger way for you to actually be right than when you're trading a peak formation reversal that is given in 1 day. Okay, I hope it's much more clear now. Let me see. Sahel 969, hello, how are you? No fingerprints. We'll look at gold right now, just hanging there. Morpheus, ID 15 on the 4 hour. Okay, so let's look at gold now. And you guys, your love for gold is unmatched, man. Anyone who is trading FX, they must be trading gold plus others. It's never the other way around. It's very interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so here is gold.
Get close to 200 EMA.
Yeah, very close. They can most likely be hitting it in time.
Take a buy on gold.
What did you say? You want to take a buy
Oh, I
right
thought
now?
you said take a buy. Oh,
No, I haven't. Actually, I haven't even talked.
sorry.
Okay, so now this is gold 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour, if you are day trading, then 1 hour time frame is the best for you to do your analysis. And if you're swing trading, 4 hour is the best. You can actually do a combination of both of them if you want to get some sort of confluence. So for this case, we cancel this day that we're trading. Of course, we've not been selling because the peak formation was already issued. So let's cancel this day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From right here, we've been pushing higher. Now, what do you notice? This was actually coming as a reversal, okay, out of this peak formation low, because this particular peak that we are trading right now, we identified yesterday from right here, a reversal, okay, and I explained all the peak formation, but now let's do it afresh. So let's assume we are not trading this day. We assume that we are blocking it from our mind, okay? Then we go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the dealer doing right now? He's going down, but he's going down from where? From right here, okay? So now what you're going to see is that we have a head and shoulder, all right? This is the complete, let me actually insert a shape so that you don't get confused. Objects, shapes, rectangle. I want you guys to look at that. That right there is your peak formation. Then we can see from right here, we have a level 1, day 1 of drop. We reset right here. We are now currently dropping level 2. Level 2 most likely hits the 200. Then we are going to most likely reset and continue bearish if most likely the dealer will not have actually ended up the week in a consolidation. We may have a sell-off going towards the end of the week. Now, someone says we have a divergence on the 4 hour. Let's see. Okay, so what kind of divergence do you have, my friend, Mr. No Fingerprints? Okay, your names on YouTube are very interesting, by the way. I hope you guys, you don't give me the job of reading some funny names. Okay, so what is your divergence, Mr. No Fingerprints? The only divergence I can see on gold, something we've been talking over the last couple of weeks, is this divergence. This one right here. Sorry, let me put another line right here. That's the only divergence I have on the 4 hour time frame. Oh, you didn't say divergence. What did you say? You say it's forming a peak formation, debris formation at the low of the week. Okay. Well, all right. Now I think you can line up your analysis with what we just done right now. Oversold. On what time frame? Because oversold means that the market was dropping. On what time frame, my friend? Four-hour time frame. It's oversold. Okay, how did you know it's oversold, or what indicator are you looking at? Because the TDI, for you to say it's oversold, then we want the market baseline to be sitting at the 37, 32 area, right here. Right now, we can only say it's overbought, and we are looking for a reversal because even the market baseline is sitting at resistance. Or you have trouble counting levels. Okay. No judging, my friend. It's gonna come along sometime. So let's look at the 4 hour. Then we're gonna go back to the 15 minutes and see whether we can take a trade. So like I said, if you wanna do analysis or if you wanna count levels, you always are going to ignore the current week or the current day that you're trading. So cancel this, count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of these 5 days, you're asking yourself one simple question. What is the dealer doing right now? He's been going up. From where? From right here. What do you have? A reversal, inverse head and shoulder. Right here. And then we can see a level 1 push, and then we stall. Then we can see level 2 right here, done in 3 pushes. They come and reset, then they rise again. This here is a typical textbook level. All right. Then we can see a reversal. This is now, you can consider it a head and shoulder as well. But on the 4 hour Kindle, we can call it a shortened second leg, M formation, leg 1 and leg 2. Then we got a shift right here. So on 4 hour time frame, we expect a continuation sell. Okay. The shift candle is that one right there, and this one was the flip. This candle right here was the flip. So we are currently short. We can expect to hit the 50 on the 4 hour or the water in that matter. And then on 1 hour, we can expect to hit the 200 EMA. So you're only looking for sell trade. Did that answer your question, Mr. No Fingerprints? Giovanni?
Yes.
Are you okay now with your USD card?
Yes, I'm okay.
All right.
Okay. I think there was one of them I was looking at. So was it CJ that we closed out?
Mm-hmm.
I think it was CJ. CJ's saying out of level.
You mean card JPY? Do you mean card JPY?
No, CHF JPY.
Oh, CHF JPY. Okay. What are you seeing?
So, is it same at the second level? About to give the third level?
Okay.
So we got a big formation up there, which is an information and first drop and then consolidate, stop hunt and then drop the second drop, and they consolidate again. I'm expecting an information because they never take that high, the not the previous Asian high, the one for yesterday was it Tuesday? On Tuesday they never take it, which is the stop hunt. So I'm expecting an information and then drop to the ADR.
CHF JPY.
CHF JPY, yes.
You expecting a what?
Expecting a drop.
Okay. All right. So okay, take me through your analysis again. What did you do to arrive at that?
Do you want me to share my screen? Or are you're looking at CHF?
Yeah, I'm looking at CHF JPY right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When you count 5 days, it takes you to the peak formation.
Yeah, right here. Okay, so we cancel days then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, right here.
Oh, we got an information.
Information, right?
Okay, we have the first drop.
Yes. Then consolidation.
I can say first drop to 800 EMA, right?
Okay.
Or to the 50 EMA.
Okay.
And they consolidate for a couple. I can say they consolidate for a couple of days.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, for 3 days.
Yeah.
The third day, as you can see, they offer an extended information, extended second leg information.
Yeah.
If you're looking at it from London session to Asian session, yeah, it's an extended information.
Yeah.
And that's the second drop. Now they consolidate. They going back above 50 EMA.
Yeah.
See, but they never they failed to take the Asian high. Yeah, I was talking about the Asian high. So now I'm expecting information to give the third drop. Okay.
Now I see where you're coming from. All right. Makes a lot of sense. Now, this is something you're going to notice, okay? Let me actually disable this for a minute. Okay, you can see my screen, yeah? So remember what I said is if you don't have that clear confluence on the 1 hour time frame, combine it with the 4 hour time frame. That's one. But now on the 1 hour time frame, what you're saying is 100% true. The only thing you're going to notice is the psychological levels is actually bouncing off the 200, okay? Right here. Now, let's actually put it like that. Now, so we cancel this day. 1, 2, 3, 4. Peak formation, M formation, level 1 drop. Now, remember what we said, that the dealer on level 2 is going to actually do some crazy things. He can actually be moving and you won't feel as if he's moving. He's actually more like a consolidating or choppy market but it's actually pushing the market to actually fulfill his interest. So you're going to notice we hit this 50, we hit the 200, and we hit the 800, and we hit the 200. At the same time, we have the 50 cross with the 800 right here. So now I want you to go to the 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna come back, and I know you guys are gonna get lost some point. Okay, so again, we repeat the same thing. So we cancel this current week, 1, 2, 3. Big formation low. We can see, of course, our anchor point will be right here on the first candle to close above the 5 and 13, somewhere right there. Very good. Then we can see a push, level 1. We can see a reset. We can see a push. We can see a reset. We can see a push. So then we have a peak formation. So now what I want you to do is to align that with the 1-hour time frame. If you can see 3 levels on the 1-hour time frame and 3 levels of the one, what am I saying? 3 levels on the 4-hour, 3 levels on 1-hour time frame. If they actually give you a confirmation that they are all done with 3 pushes, then you expect a long-term reversal. So in this case now, let's go back to the 1-hour time frame. Let's see what we get. So here we have the dealer giving an aggressive push, all right? But now what you're missing is this drop right here. Do you see it?
Yes.
Then they come back all the way up and reset and drop again. That's now what you're missing. So what he's doing right now, he most likely will trade back to the peak on the 4-hour. Why? Because he's bouncing off the 200. So what you want to do, or what you want to see, as you were saying earlier, is to get now the information. You want to get the information, which again may not be issued today because of course the market today is pushing higher. We can see right here. So we want to see a leg 1 and a leg 2, which can be issued between now and maybe next week on Monday or Tuesday. Then you can now trade it long. In that case, look at the TDI. You have a shark fin. Where is the shark fin high? Right here. So you expect the dealer to go above this high and give you a second leg, while at the same time they are going to give you a divergence. So it should be looking something like that. Let me close this. It should be looking something like this on the charts. On the TDI, while on the chart is going to be looking something like this. That's what you want. So leg 1, we already done. Then leg 2 should come back. All right. The TDI will somehow plot leg 1 and then go up again, plot leg 2. But on the chart, we're going to have something like this rising. And then on the TDI, we're going to have a falling kind of a shape. Is it making sense now? Did I lose you anywhere?
Yes. Yes. No. I'm still here.
You know? Okay. You're good, yeah?
That's the point I think.
I didn't get your last. You see?
That was the point. That was the point I missed, though.
Yeah.
They pushed it wide, so there's no way we're gonna get information.
Yeah. So that level 2, like I said, level 2 you expect almost nothing. You see, this is what I say. Level 1 is clear. Level 3 is clear. Why? It's because that it's market maker driven. But level 2 is mild because it's market driven, but in the absence of the market maker. If the market maker is in action, expect this kind of moves, very clear moves, very clear moves, very clear moves. But when he's not in play, this is what you expect. There's no money, there's no liquidity in the market.
So that's how they show their footstep. Right?
Exactly. All right. So now let's go back to, I don't know, by the way, we were supposed to look at gold for a trade today. Now that we missed the London session, this is GBPJPY, okay. Okay, so we are resetting the peak right here on US30, but we don't have an entry, we missed it. So I'll pass on that.
So that's what you were talking about last time?
Yeah.
Were you using the 4 hour or the 15 minutes, the first picture?
Yeah. Okay, so right here, what we need to see, they may push it all the way up to the 200 or 800 because they've already done the 3 pushes for the day. All right, we can't expect any other push for the day. From this peak formation right here, we can see then a drop, a level 2 drop, a level 3, they sweep the low, they are going back. Most likely they're going to finish the day into a consolidation. So we don't have a priority setup right now on gold, and we can just wait for them to give us another trade. Yesterday is the only time they gave us a very good trade, New York session. I'm looking for US 100. All right. Okay, so NAS 100, here we are. So I think we did an analysis the other day, and I said that we are basing this off this peak formation low, inverse head and shoulder. They reset the peak. This is again inverse head and shoulder. So now what do we have? Let me put here the peak formation. First of all, cancel this day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then of course we can see we are sitting now at a peak formation low. Objects, shapes, rectangle. So that right there is the peak formation low, inverse head and shoulder. Then we can see a level 1 push, day 1 of rise. They reset the peak. I think this is the one that was confusing some dude the other day who said that we are analyzing wrong on NAS 100. They reset the peak. Objects, shapes, again. So again, that there is the peak reset, safety trade, right? Then they have done level 2 push. You see this here? This is an entire level 2 push right here. Now, what we're gonna see is most likely another rally, level 3 now, okay? And we have its reset done right here. Let me put another shape. This right here is the reset, debris formation. Now they do this as a stop hunt. Now what we would want to see for New York session is a debris formation on 15 minutes. I actually believe they had issued it for London session somewhere. I saw it somewhere. Oh yeah, somewhere right here, but they didn't hold it. So now what we want to see is a flip. If they can give us a flip candle, or if we can see a bullish candle closing, because right here, what you can see, this right here is confusing, I know, but I want you to look at it very cleanly. The dealer drops all the way with this wick, then he goes up. That's your leg 1 debris formation. Then he drops again with this big candle all the way down. That's a stop hunt. Then he closes bullish, and you can see the railroad track. So these 3 candles right here are a debris formation. So what we want now to see, because they brought the market down, we want a flip. We want a bullish candle close, then we can take it long. Is that now clear on NAS 100? Harriet, I know you are a lover of this thing.
Yeah, I'm here.
That's his wife.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, they did a wedding already. I was never invited to that.
That's my favorite. That's 100.
This guy is being emotional.
Oh man, interesting. All right. So now we have an advancement on the TDRM. So we have one more addition. So what I was saying is, because of course we're gonna have several mistakes when you're trading, and sometimes you notice that it's not that you're wrong with your entries, it's only that probably you entered too early or something. So now we have this one more addition that we call the push SL, and it's basically an addition to the normal SL line. So what you do, if you're taking your trade, say you want to go long right now, you put your stop loss right here. Okay, when you put your stop loss right here, there will be an alternative to that trade. The TDRM is going to give you an alternative to enter right here and push your stop loss lower right here. So what happens is, instead of now executing a live market execution trade, it's gonna put a buy limit right here. So when I click on buy, instead of now taking a long position, I have put a buy limit right here, and my stop loss has been pushed lower with the equal distance. All right, so I would have taken a long position right here, and my stop loss would be here. But now, because of that market behavior where they always come back to those most obvious levels, it comes all the way down to this particular section. So what we do, we put a buy limit right here, and we push the stop loss lower with the equal distance. But of course, this means that if you are using this, there are times you're going to miss a trade. Like right now, let's suppose we get a flip and we take a trade right here. Then it means the market may not come all the way down to collect this order. That's now the only disadvantage. And while it may be, what do I say? It may put you to a disadvantage. It equally gives you few trades, but very precise ones, very precise entries and high probability. So you improve your accuracy in the process. All right. I'm gonna give you an example. There's a trade I think we took on CHFJPY the other day, and they come all the way down to the low. Actually, it's USD cut. Just before they could actually push the final level yesterday, we took a trade on USD cut, and what they did was to come all the way to the stop loss. Let me see if I can get it on the chart right now. This trade right here. So we're taking off based off this second leg. Then what they do, they come all the way down New York session, all right, and they sweep this low. You see that? So if you take a trade right here, market execution, the stop loss goes right here. What do? They come all the way down to that wick. They collect the order and then they go up. So if you had placed a buy limit order right here, this trade would have been a painless trade all the way up. And you would have probably been done 1:3 or 1:4:1. That's now the benefit of that additional feature. All right. So in 10 minutes, we'll be looking to go long on NAS 100. That is when the 15 minutes candle closes. Let's see, we have, okay, that's okay. Good. All right. Okay, so if this candle right here closes bullish, that's now the trigger for us to go long. That's now what I'm looking for. That's what I'm waiting for in 10 minutes. You can ask questions in the meantime. I'll look at them as I attend to something here. Is anyone buying cryptocurrencies? Because we are about to have another bull run coming in very soon. That's on a light note though. Good morning, good afternoon, David. David, well, mbona unakuwa mchokozi bwana? A friend of mine here is asking me to explain what is a sucker trade. Okay, so David, a sucker trade is when the market has done level 1 push All right. When the market has done level 1 push, we have a rule. You do not counter the market. You do not sell. Like now, for instance, right here, we have a peak formation low. We move level 1. So what you're not supposed to take is this sell right here. This is now what we call a sucker trade. All right. So if the dealer shows you a peak formation and he moves level 1, then he gives you an information and you're selling off that information. That right there is what you call a sucker trade. I hope that is clear now. You're welcome. So we have 2 minutes to the close of this candle. My stop loss is right there at 29,461. So we are taking a long position. NAS 100, yes.
Oh, NAS 100?
Yeah.
2K?
Oh,
Not
shit.
yet. I'm waiting for the candle close in few seconds from now.
Oh.
There we are. So I'm in on a long position at 29,530. My stop loss goes below that candle.
You say long in US 100?
Yeah. Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah, can you zoom in a little bit? Sure. Giovanni, what's your size? Where put the stop loss on that bottom week? On that,
Yeah, right here. Right here.
Oh, right here. Oh, that's 15-minute time frame.
Yes, this is 15 minutes time frame. So stop loss is at 29,459.
Say 29,459.
Yeah. Right below this bullish candle right here. See it? Just slightly below it.
Oh, 29. But if I put it there, my stop loss will be 29,478.
That's okay, because it's different for 478. Mine is for what? 460, 462. see this? Can you see my cursor?
Yeah.
Crosshair? So
You're talking about that bullish hook right there.
yeah, so just slightly below it, just slightly below that wick.
459.
For those who wanted the MT5 indicators, they are all available. Just go to the portal, then go all the way to the indicators library under shop. Scroll down to indicators library. Oh, David, sorry. No, it's not. It's you download. I think after later tonight it will be uploaded. It will be just go to the portal and look for the new version. It will be re-uploaded again this evening. Yes, for both MT4 and MT5, both MT4 and MT5, they'll be updated. Giovanni,
Yes.
go ahead, share your screen. Let me see how the tool is managing your risk.
I'm still life support.
Oh, oh.
Let
But
them
you
check
see-
your blood pressure.
We need to do some more injection right here. Boy needs to come back to life.
Let's check his blood pressure.
Let's see.
Yes. Let me start this off. Let me grab the second maximum stuff.
How much is the loss?
Because I saw yours was a little bit higher. Yeah, it's a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Mine is too much, I think.
So what's the total amount? What's the total risk?
296. Yeah, I put it too low.
Okay.
Because you put yours
Just slightly.
29, 450, 463. You put yours.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to move it slightly, right?
No worries. That's okay.
Slightly below this candle right there.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Yeah, I put it 472, 29,
Yeah,
472.
now that's precise. That's now more precise.
It's 260.
That's okay. That's very okay.
Yeah, but when you adjust the stop loss, it doesn't calculate automatically the 1 to 2.
It should. How? Like what?
Because it should be 5.
it
should be 5 to
520. So once you execute the trade, the tool will not automatically adjust the stop loss. I mean the take profit. You'll have to move it manually now because it only does in the process. If you move your stop loss line just before you execute the trade, yes, it's going to auto adjust.
I don't know. That's too much now.
There's no problem with you earning a little more, so you can just leave it there. It's very okay. It's very, very okay.
Okay, 576. Damn.
Right about the ADR. The ADR should be somewhere around 29, 730, 750.
750?
730 actually. For mine it's 730.
Oh, 730. Is there any way I can just I can just set number?
You can do what?
Stop loss. No, I'm gonna adjust the stop loss.
Oh yeah, okay.
The take profit. Sorry, the take profit. You said 29,
730.
30.
730.
730. Okay. Let me check that. 730. Okay, then you modify it to see. Yeah. 545.
That's okay.
Not too bad. I'm not too far away.
Yeah, very good. So you're scared sometimes when you see that your take profit is too far? Giovanni.
Yeah, when the take profit is too far, yeah. Depends. Sometimes when we take the trade, the trade it's like more than we in the trade for like more than 2 hours.
Yeah.
Those guys go to break, going to lunch. Oh,
yeah,
man.
And you're there trying to make your trade. Oh man.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm like, I don't think it's gonna drop all the way to where we put the take profit. And most of the time it happens. They never drop it. They wait until the market closes.
Yeah, and then they move it.
Or,
Yeah. True.
That's why sometimes this guy is a little, he's scared about when he sees $200 in the market.
You wanna grab it?
It's people going to lunch. He
Yeah.
said 200, 250. He's gonna cut it. He's like, I'm getting out.
Interesting. Harriet, you've been accused of grabbing your money too quickly. What is your response? Do you want to defend yourself?
He's trying to recover.
I don't know why he's talking, because he's on life support.
Is that your defense? Is that your defense, my friend?
His blood pressure is too high.
It's too high.
We need to give him some aspirin.
Yeah, some aspirin. Interesting.
I don't know. I'll be satisfied with my profit. So if I make 200, I'm satisfied. It's good and bad, so I'm working on that.
Yeah.
Let them hit it, man.
So I don't feel like if you off 500, I feel like you can't. Why would I let it pull back?
Take you out.
Take $400 when I could have taken 200. If I have a good change, maybe you go back up. You know what I'm saying?
From a point of daily targets, that would make a lot of logical sense. But from a point of numbers, it would really weaken your Sharpe ratio.
Well, like for instance, like if you're trading, you up $700, and then they do a pullback.
Yeah.
So you stop loss probably like $1,000, right?
Yeah.
And then you up $700. And then you move to break even. You're waiting, and then you do a pullback, and then it kick you out.
Yeah.
Now you lost.
That's what
you lost
you lost nothing. You lost nothing. You lose nothing.
Yeah, but you was gaining.
Yeah, and now you're back to zero.
You're now back to zero. You know what I'm saying? So you could have move, take like 3.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna hear that, but you could have just take 300 and let the trade win. If you pull back, you leave with 300. Nothing wrong with that. You know. That's what I'll be thinking.
So let me ask you a question, Butch. So your TDRM, your system, automatically take profit.
Yeah, along the way it can take, but I usually switch it off. I only do that when I have a lot of positions running. If I have one position, I don't.
Okay.
There are times that you'll find that you're taking trades and the whole book is running 2% in profit. I mean, there's no harm with me taking 1% off. Then I can risk the 1% at break even at that point. But if I only have one trade, and I mean, there's no rush.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
If there's a way that like if you off $1,500 and then you put your whole total amount, if you get to $1,000, so every trade can close. No, there's no way for that.
There is. That would mean a nominal or nominal profit, meaning like if your equity reads a profit of $1,000, the system should close everything.
Yeah,
there is.
Is that what the TDRM?
Yeah, TDRM can do that, but that feature is not enabled for the current version, so maybe in the next version. It will.
That would have been perfect for this guy.
Oh yeah, man, he likes grabbing these things, so you're gonna get.
As soon as this account passes to $200,
he's already grabbing it. Oh man. But I think in a live account, that's pretty okay. If you're satisfying some $200-300 per day, you're gonna get some 6,000 payout at the end of the month. Is some good money, right? Again,
I feel like my daily target gonna be 5%, $500 on the account.
That is 0.5%.
Yeah,
5.5%.
so 0.5.
Yeah,
So I
0.5
feel like
is
as long 0.5%, I'm good.
you're good to go.
I'm good.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you where you're gonna get 5% money.
Yeah, that's I was actually about to ask the same, but
Uh,
or maybe he was actually trying to risk the entire account on one single trade, get a big payout, and then have that situation of $3,000 again.
Melvin, do you got you can you able to copy trade to account from FTMO?
Yes, you can. You can.
But you just copy. So if you make 500, you'll be $1,000, right?
Yes, that would be $1,000.
Oh yeah, because I was looking for that. So I probably after that
Yeah.
I probably get another account. So technically, if I make 500, it's $1,000 for the day.
Yeah.
And I'll be okay.
Interesting.
Giovanni can just sit there
And
and
wait.
realize. Giovanni don't play with his TP, man.
Yeah, he don't joke with that. He don't joke with that.
Yeah, because you get hit, man. If you keep taking 200, 150 and they kick you out, the day you get a big hit,
Yeah, that's gonna be trouble, by the way.
you get a big drawdown.
Yeah. It's gonna
What
be
do
trouble.
you think saves me from the thing last time? It was what we make on Friday. That's what saves me.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, by the way, because you would have taken your account down to 0.
Yes. So that's why I was like, welcome to the candy shop. This guy still not, he still didn't sing this song.
Yeah.
Welcome to the candy shop.
Mm-hmm.
Wait until they hit your stop.
Yeah.
I give you what I got.
My friend.
Yeah, I think because I'm still traumatized from Nasdaq from when I used to trade tops.
From when, yeah?
I think it'd be because
I think you're breaking for some reason. I don't know.
I think that's what keep triggering me mentally. So I feel like I need to heal. When I'm healed, I think I'll be better. Yeah, I think I'm traumatized.
So you want to recover now?
Yeah, I need to go to a therapy session.
So I'm in ICU. You in recovery?
Yeah, I'm in therapy. I need therapies. Yeah, I think after that I'll be alright.
You guys. Alright.
Yeah, so you and like I've been trying to get you back to life.
Oh yeah, we're trying to smash it. But he's doing well. He's recapacitating very well.
You know, all for this machine when you put on people's chest to get him back to life again. I forgot the name. That's what Mr. I've been trying to do for you right now.
Yeah, it's true.
Elder Duarte. What is it?
Sorry, you said?
Elder Duarte.
Yeah, I think that's a new. Oh, that's a new user, VIP. That's yeah.
Man, I saw a Brinks trade this morning.
On what?
On Meta. I took it.
Oh, you did?
On stocks on Meta.
How is it doing?
Yeah, I took it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I got out with 70%.
What? You did?
Yeah, it was doing good. I got out with 70%. 7.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I saw that 9:15, man. 9:45.
Yeah.
Bang, man. Woof. Yeah, the Brinks trades are guaranteed, man.
Yeah, Green Street is always perfect.
Brinks trade.
Oh man.
Imagine I put $1,000 on that. It would have been $700.
Yeah.
And they move really fast though.
Yeah.
On the Brinks trade.
Yeah, it moves very quickly because it's like a guarantee, man. You know, very quickly. You're in and out.
Quickly.
Oh, my screen is down. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Let me bring it back. Try and get it. This thing. Hang in there, man. Okay, it's back now. Very good. Sorry about that. Gonna made a trade. Let's see what is happening with gold. Back to entries, people. What do you want? And I don't know. Let's see. XAU. So I think we are getting a sell on gold very soon, in 5 minutes, I think.
So you're not using your did you lose your WhatsApp? Yeah.
Yeah, like I literally am struggling to get it back. These people are, I don't know. I've been advised to visit my network carrier service center to renew my SIM cards because apparently my international network carrier has some issues. I don't know. So I'm not receiving international calls. I'm not receiving international SMSs, stuff like that. So crazy, and I didn't have time to even do that today.
Yeah, because I've seen there's a number this guy is trying to offer me a bunch of stuff. It's a 234 number area code.
What? Could you send a screenshot on our Telegram?
Okay.
I literally have no access to my WhatsApp.
Yeah, it says when I check those information, it says phone number from Nigeria.
So these people could be doing some dirty shit on my WhatsApp. No wonder I'm not. Okay, please do that. I'll keep that off the live session. I'm live session right now.
And I was joking. I was joking with this guy. He's trying to offer everything. I told him, you sound like an angel.
Oh
I
man.
was joking with this guy. And he blocked me because
like he's saying he's from Image Capital. He's saying he's from us.
And he's sending me a lot of people with money, or you got a prize money, congratulations to you. This guy. He said that I got a prize. He said that I got a prize money, which is $800,000.
Oh shit. For what? What did you do to deserve it?
Oh no. He didn't mention that.
All right.
He would just mention that that I am among the 10 lucky winners that win a sum of $800,000 with a brand new car.
Oh man. From where?
And this guy said, "Congratulations to you, Mr. Gio."
Mr. Who?
And he's like my brother. He's like we have been waiting for you ever since. But I so much thank God that you have responded. I told him, "What God you talking about?" My brother in Christ, I give you 100% sure. If you're honest with the company, you will receive your prize money. He's talking about prize money. I told him, "You sound like an angel."
Yeah, these people, scammers always sounds very sweet. They always sound very sweet until they get you out of your money. Right. Let's see.
So you want me to drop it at the
Telegram on my personal account.
Personal account.
So that in case they're doing some mishap, I can communicate to the team immediately. I don't know. I honestly feel sick not to have WhatsApp because I know so much is happening right now. You sent it?
No, I'm still looking for your account right now on Telegram. I screenshot it already.
Let me text you.
Yeah, send me a message. Oh, okay. Oh, I did that. Let me share this guy. His name.
This is a Nigerian number with an Indian face. Oh man.
Yeah, he probably put a different picture on it.
Yeah,
just to tease people.
That's what they do. Definitely what they do. Oh shit. So do you have a clue whether it's in any way he was trying to associate himself with Imet?
No, he didn't mention anything about that. He was just talking about the prize money.
Oh, right.
Yeah, prize money that and he introduced himself. He said he's originally from France, Paris. This guy was lying.
Okay. Definitely a
And I
very,
told
very
him
huge
before
lie.
I told him before I answer any question,
Mm-hmm.
where did you get where did you get my phone number? Because I was trying to identify
Yeah.
if they use him. Yeah.
Ah.
So he said that he saw my number
Uh-huh.
in their lucky winner list of Samsung company.
Uh-huh. And he did.
Yeah, man.
Oh man.
He
These
said,
guys, they must be very stupid. Very, very stupid.
you know how many people those guys are scamming?
Yeah. But then Nigerians are terrible. We call them Yahoo boys.
Mr.
Sorry.
Robin, you find your you get your WhatsApp back? No.
No. I need to go to my network carrier to get my SIM cards renewed. So for some reason, all my international communication are currently blocked for some reason. I don't know.
Well, yeah, I told you there's someone that called me too. Remember,
Did he call via the group itself? Did you check whether it's the group inside Emit or it's an individual?
You called Giovanni too, right?
Yeah,
He called inside the M1 Capital VIP. Yeah, inside the group.
Yeah. So then that means that probably he misdialed and called inside the group. Well,
you know,
I know that guy. He's inside the VIP. So I was only not expecting that he would be the main suspect. Because of course, when you say that, I was like, oh, dude, is he the one who's trying to, get me out of my communication?
Oh, he was the guy that called, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I called him and he actually said it was erroneous or something. I would have been surprised, man. So I think at 1845, is it 18? Yeah, 1845. We'll be taking a trade on gold. Maybe it's gonna hold. Let's see. Neo compressor.
Yeah, I've seen that picture of you have a wife, so I think I'm gonna have to look for a wife too.
Yeah.
gold. I think gold is Mr. Melvin's wife. In Nasdaq area.
It's very possible. True. Oh, they're bringing it down. If I hit an SL on US 100, I'm not taking any other trade for the day, irrespective. I don't care how good it is, I won't take any other trade. NAS 100 this week has been terrible. It's not given us any good trade, honestly. Alright, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna end it there. Actually, I'm gonna leave it running. If they I'm gonna actually also close this order. So either I hit take profit or I hit stop loss. That's the rule. So I'm gonna